In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Zoho CRM with IndiaMart. This integration lets you capture and sync your IndiaMart leads straight into Zoho CRM so your sales team can respond faster without manual copy-paste. We'll use the official route so your data flows securely and in real time. Before you begin, make sure you are signed in to Zoho CRM and your IndiaMart seller account with the proper permissions to install apps and update settings. Start in Zoho CRM. Open Zoho CRM and head to Setup by clicking the Settings gear icon in the sidebar, find Marketplace and choose All. In the search bar, type IndiaMart from the results. Select the IndiaMart Official Real-Time Leads extension for Zoho CRM. Click Install. You'll see a prompt listing what the extension can access. Review these permissions carefully so you know what data it will read or write. Then proceed with the installation. Once the extension is installed, open its settings inside Zoho CRM. Here, you'll find a webhook listener URL. This URL is the secure endpoint that allows IndiaMart to push leads to your CRM the moment they arrive. Keep this page open so you can copy the URL. Now switch to IndiaMart. In your IndiaMart account, go to Lead Manager. Then Settings and select Push API. Paste the webhook listener URL you copied from the Zoho extension settings into the appropriate field. Next, generate the CRM key and complete the verification via OTP. The one-time password will be sent to your registered contact, and verifying it confirms that IndiaMart is allowed to deliver leads to your Zoho CRM. Once verified, your real-time connection is active and ready to use. From this point on, new inquiries coming through IndiaMart will appear in Zoho CRM as leads, without you needing to import files or run manual syncs. This helps reduce delays and keeps your pipeline current. If you need to bring in older inquiries, the IndiaMart official plugin also supports batch fetching through the Pull API. It checks for new leads every 2 hours and lets you manually import historical leads for up to the past 365 days. Keep in mind, though, that the Pull API plugin is being phased out in favor of the faster real-time Push API. So rely on Push for ongoing syncing and use batch fetching primarily for backfilling older records when available. That's it. Thanks for watching.